Hey, do you do a lot of Zoom recordings? I do a lot of Zoom meetings, and therefore I record my Zoom meetings either with the Zoom built-in recording or I use Fathom. I really prefer Fathom because it does, I think, a much better job. After you do your Zoom meeting, you've got to come up with, in my case, a quote. So this automation, and this is where I say AI, automation, and marketing kind of blend themselves to help business owners do things with a lot less effort, is using a scenario like this in Make. And I want to show you that. What it looks for is, it looks for, in my Google Drive, a video that I put in there from our Fathom meeting. And then it downloads the file here. And then it has two routes. If the file is bigger than a certain size, I think it's 100 megabytes, it will go up this way. Cloud Convert will convert it to MP3. And then it creates a translation here. And then it moves over to do a complete prompt, telling this prompt exactly what I want it to do. And then it pushes this. Give this a second. Here's the prompt. Your task is to take the Zoom call transcription and use what it is said, generate a proposal for the client. So in my case, I'm asking this to generate a proposal for me. And then it pushes it to a Google Doc. That Google Doc resides in another Google folder. And here's the Google Doc. So it's broken down everything from our call. It's telling me what we will do, so what I can quote on specifically for the client. And it's put it all into one easy document. Now I can just copy and paste this to my quoting system or whatever I'm using. But to me, this is using AI to your advantage, because nobody has time to do this. And if you did, you could save 30 minutes, 40 minutes or more based on your process. So again, it's defining what your process looks like. This is what mine looks like, is that I get a Zoom transcription or a Zoom video. I drop it into here. I have this thing then download the file. It uses the router to decide which laneway it wants to go down. Both these laneways are the same, except if the file's bigger, it's going to go and convert it to MP3 for it to get the transcription. So anyways, I just thought this is very cool. This is just one scenario that I use in our marketing agency to help me more quickly build a proposal for a client. And it's really simple. Anyways, I hope that helps. If you like what you hit the follow, hit the subscribe, wherever you see this. I'd like to get more people to see it so they can help themselves in their business figure this out. And if you need help figuring this out, just hit me up. All right, thanks.